Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about 2019 spring and summer DIY hairstyles, looks and styles that you can create at home yourself. The first DIY hairstyle features a simple classic ponytail ideal for the warmer months. She adds 2 twists in the front to make the look more modern and finishes things off with a sophisticated black ribbon. The next DIY featured is a simple updo hairstyle. To create this look, she creates a flat twist from the front of her strands until she reaches the back. She then pins the ends to make a small bun. She repeats on the other side of her head, and there you have it, a simple yet chic style for summer. DIY number 3 features a sophisticated high bun. To create this style, she starts at the back of her head, braiding upwards in the form of Dutch-style braids. She then loops all of her hair into a semi-loose high bun. DIY number 4 features a fun half up, half down hairstyle. This one is perfect for prom or for any formal events that you may have coming up. To create this style, she separates her hair from the top and the bottom and adds twists to the top portion of her strands. She then wraps each twist within each other to create a stylish uniform bun-like texture. She finishes the look up by curling the bottom portion of her strands into playful, soft curls. DIY number 5 features a braided crown hairstyle with a little something extra. She first separates her hair and then starts braiding on the side. Once she has 2 braids, she then pins each braid over to create a crown. Make sure to fluff the braid out for fullness. She then adds in gold accessories for a little something extra. DIY Hairstyle 6 is similar to the first style we've seen, but features a high ponytail instead of a low one. To create this look, she uses Eco Styler gel and a brush to slick down her hair while adding 2 twists in the front. She then brushes all of her strands into a high ponytail. She finishes the look by slicking down her edges for a modern, everyday, simple style. DIYs 7 and 8 are both by KYK Hair. The first one features a style that's very trendy. 2 French braids are added to the hair with one going down each side. Curls are then added at the bottom for a spunky, modern take. The second one by KYK features a fishtail braid. She sprays the hair with holding spray and then brushes the hair into a high ponytail. She then styles a fishtail braid all the way to the ends, a style ideal for hot days on the beach. Our last DIY hairstyle of the day features an amazing updo. This creative hairstyle requires multiple mini rubber bands. The bands are placed throughout the hair to create mini ponytails. Each ponytail is then carefully wrapped into the next, creating a gorgeous updo style perfect for any event. Alright guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe for more DIY hairstyles, fashion hacks, and more, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao bellas!